Good day everyone, I'm Gabriela Balagtas, student nurse from Our Lady of Fatima University. So we will be applying a hot compress to the patient. First is to review client's chart for medical history and contradiction to the treatment. And we will be reviewing physician's order for the type of heat application treatment and the site, duration, temperature prescribed. So next is to bring necessary equipments to the bedside table. So beside me are the equipments that are needed. Next is identify the patient. So, hello po ma'am, how are you po today?
Okay lang.
May I know your name and birthday po?
Caroline and Westcado po, September 1 to 2000.
So, next is close the door and the curtains to the room for patient privacy. Next is explain the procedure. So, ma'am, we will be applying a hot compress to your arm po so that you will feel relief. During the procedure, you may ask questions po. Is that okay with you po?
Yes.
So, next is assess client's skin, area to be treated, and the client's temperature. Next is inspect the wound. After that is perform hand hygiene. So I already perform hand hygiene and put clean gloves. So next is place towel under the area to be treated. Then next is apply the hot compress. Then stop the application if there is problem. So, inspect the part that you apply if effective. And then, I will be removing the hot compress. Next is position the patient. Are you okay with your position na po? And then, we will be removing the towel under the patient's arm. After that is evaluate the patient. So, ma'am, how are you feeling po after the applying of hot compress?
I feel confident and comfortable.
Do you have any questions po?
No po.
Okay po. So, next is remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Then, document the findings if there are any abnormalities. After applying hot compress, we will proceed with the cold compress. So, we are going to assemble the equipment first. So, as you can see, I already prepared the equipment. So next is explain the procedure. So, ma'am, we will be applying a cold compress to relieve your pain. Is that okay with you po?
Yes, definitely.
You can ask questions during the procedure. Then next is describe the sensation the patient would feel. So, ma'am, you may feel or might feel a little cold. Is that okay with you po?
Yes.
Next is to provide patient privacy by closing the curtains and the window. Next is position the patient in bed. So the patient is already positioned. We will be performing hand hygiene and apply clean gloves. So next is place the waterproof pad under the area to be treated. So next is submerge the gauze pad or the towel in the water. And then apply to the area. Then after that is we remove and moisten the towel and reapply to maintain the cold temperature. Then after that is to check the skin condition. If there are any problem occur, stop the application immediately. Then after that is help the patient to a comfortable position. Are you okay with your position na po? I will remove
Yes.
the water pad. Then after that is remove, clean and dry, and store the supplies accordingly. Then next is inspect the body part of the wound condition for evidence of effectiveness. Then after that is ask the client to describe level of comfort and burning sensation. Ma'am, describe your, do you feel burning sensation? Can you describe it if there is any?
There is no pain.
Okay po, thank you. So next is identify any unexpected outcomes. So, wala naman po. And after that is document and report all pertinent info of the procedure, and we will remove the gloves and perform hand hygiene.